Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss transportation in plants, life processes, class 10th for CBSE, continuing the topic life process. As you know already, transportation in plants, it occurs, plants they absorb water and minerals through the roots. Water and minerals, they are not absorbed separately, they are absorbed, dissolved in the water, and then only they are sucked or absorbed by the root hairs and go to the each and every part of the plants, by which along with the water and mineral. During photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, water they utilize, which was absorbed by the roots, and chlorophyll and present in the leaves, and sunlight they get it from the nature, from where they absorb sunlight through the process of chlorophyll. Now here you have, in this portion, basically you have how the plants, the transportation of water and transportation of food. Transportation of food, it occurs through the phloem cells. Generally they are called the vascular bundles. Vascular bundles are made up of xylem and phloem. Xylem conducts water and mineral elements from the earth soil particles to the different parts of the plant through the root hairs they absorb, and transportation food made by leaves is transported down through each and every part of the plant. Now here you have the questions. Now along with the questions and the answers only, I am going to discuss you all. Your first question here is given in your exercise, that what are the components of the transport system in highly organized plants? That what are the components of the transport systems in highly organized plant? So in plants, transport system that is move from energy, and it stores from the leaves and raw materials from the root. So it made of two components, xylem and phloem. First, transport system that moves whenever the movement of the water molecules are there, which comes from the downwards to upwards, that also requires energy, and the food material made by leaves transported above from the leaves to the different parts of the plant is translocated through the phloem cells, and this plant will move energy stored from leaves and raw materials from the roots. Means energy by the food is made by the leaves through the process of photosynthesis that releases energy in the form of ATP, and the raw materials, that is water and the mineral nutrients, that they absorb from the root. So they are the two pathways made as independently organized as the conducting tubes or the conducting strands are there, which are included. First one, it is the xylem. Xylem cells helps in the movement of water and minerals from soil to different parts of the plant, as I told you already. And phloem, it transports food made from leaves, transported to different parts of the plants for storage. As you know already, each part of the plant we use as in food. We eat root, we eat stem, we eat leaves, we eat fruit. As in each and every part the food is stored, so it is translocated also to each and every part. Here downward translocation, lateral translocation, on the lateral sides of the plants also the translocation occurs over there. Your second question, how are water and minerals transported in plant? When we ask about the water and mineral, see, water is transported through the xylem tissues. Xylem, they are xylem vessels, tracheids, xylem parenchyma, xylem tissues, and xylem cells, they are thick walled, because from here absorption takes place from downwards to upward. When downwards to upward the absorption occurs over there, through that there, as the downwards to the upward it occurs, so it exerts pressure. जैसे कि आप सीढ़ियां ऊपर चढ़ते हैं तो आपको एनर्जी लगती है, लेकिन जब आप नीचे उतरते हैं तो फटाफट उतरते जाते हैं, तो उसमें एनर्जी की जरूरत नहीं होती. इसीलिए जाइलम सेल्स थिक वॉल्ड. और फ्लोएम में फूड ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ आता है, क्योंकि ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ फ्लो होता है, इसलिए फ्लोएम सेल्स जो होते हैं वो थिन वॉल होते हैं. सी, इन जाइलम टिश्यूज, मसल्स एंड ट्रैकिड्स of the roots, stem, and leaves. They are interconnected to form a continuous system of water conducting channels that reaching all parts of the plant. Root hair cells, they are in contact with the soil and actively they take up iron. And this creates a difference in the concentration of these ions between the root and the soil. So water moves into the root from the soil so that there is a constant movement of water in the root xylem and water is pushed upward. Whereas evaporation of water molecules from the cells of a leaf creates a suction pressure. जब पत्तियों से ट्रांसपैरेशन में वाटर एवोपरेट होता है तो उससे सक्शन प्रेशर होता है. सक्शन प्रेशर से दैट पुल्स वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रॉम द एडजेसेंट सेल टू द स्टोमेटल cells, from the xylem cells of the root, and this transpiration that helps in the absorption of in the absorption and absorption and upward movement of water and mineral dissolved in it from roots to the leaves. Thus, the transpiration pool becomes the major driving force in the movement of water in the xylem. Next is your how is food transported in plant? Transportation of food in plant, that is by the phloem cells utilizing energy. Now here what happens? Materials like the sucrose, it is transferred into the phloem tissue using energy from ATP. This ATP is involved during the process of photosynthesis. From there, during photosynthesis, from the photosynthesis, these synthesis, during the formation of the ATP molecules takes place, and when ATP changes into ADP, it releases energy, and this energy is utilized by plants. For as plants are fixed at one place, they do not move, so they need less energy, and that's why maximum energy is stored in them. This increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, causing water to move into it. So this pressure moves the material in the phloem to tissues which have less pressure, and this allows the phloem to move materials according to the plant's requirement. Example, sugar is stored in the root or the stem. जैसे आप पोटैटो खाते हैं, स्वीट पोटैटो इज द फूड इज स्टोर्ड इन द रूट्स, और जो पोटैटो आप खाते हैं वो स्टेम पार्ट होता है, मॉडिफाइड स्टेम अंडरग्राउंड होता है जिसमें कि स्टार्च के फॉर्म में फूड स्टोर होता है. दैट वुड बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू द बर्ड्स विच नीड एनर्जी टू grow. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video with the next topic of the life process, that is excretion. Thank you.